Learning can take place anywhere, at home, in school, online, in bed, and right here. You can follow all of our social medias at the end of this video, and we hope you enjoy.
Hi, we are United Tutoring, an organization where tutors volunteer to teach underprivileged kids and help them reach their full potential. Today we will be talking about adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. So our objective here is to model fraction addition, to add fractions with a common denominator, to model fraction subtraction, and to subtract fractions with a common denominator. So fractions with the same denominator consist of the same equal part. So here we have 1/2 plus 3/2. Since both the denominators are 2, we know that both consist of 1/2 parts. Here's its visual representation. Here we have 1/2 shaded in, which represents this. Here we have 3/2 shaded in, which represents this. And in total, we have 4/2, which can be simplified to 2. So a over c plus b over c equals a plus b over c, and here we have an example of this format. We have x over 3 plus 2 over 3, and here is its visual representation. Since x represents an unknown value, we don't shade anything in. And here we have 2/3, so we have 2 shaded in out of the 3 equal parts, and both these circles have the same 3 equal parts. So here we would have x plus 2 as the numerator, and 3 would be the denominator. So the same idea applies to fractions during subtraction. Here we have 3/6 minus 2/6, so here's its visual representation. We have 6 equal parts in all of these whole circles. Over here we have 3 out of the 6 shaded, and over here we each have 1/6 part shaded, which in total equals 2/6. And then when we subtract this from this, we have only 1/6 piece shaded in, so our answer would be 1/6. Here's another example. Here we have x over 4 minus y over 4. So both these variables represent an unknown value, so we don't have any parts shaded in. However, there are 4 equal parts, so the denominator will remain 4, and our numerator will be x minus y. So these are some try on your own problems. The first one, we have 2 over x plus 4 over x. So we bring down the denominator, which is x, and then we simplify the numerators, 2 plus 4, which will give us 6. Here we have negative 1/3 minus 5/3. So negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6, and we already have the negative here, so we bring the 6 to the numerator, and then we have 3 as the denominator, and that's our answer. And we need to simplify this, so we would bring the negative again, and then 6 over 3 is 2. This is another example. We have negative 2 over y minus, in parentheses, 3 over y plus 2 over y. So the first step here is to solve the parentheses. So we would do 3 over y plus 2 over y first, and that would give us 5 over y. And we would now have to solve negative 2 over y minus 5 over y. So first thing we do is solve the numerators. So negative 2 minus y would be negative 7. So first we put the negative and then the 7, and then our denominator is y, and that would be our answer.